the unique experience of flying on board the all-new 380. 5 operators operating in a very, very slow fly past, high alpha angle of attack, and it's an extraordinary sight to see an aircraft of this size coming past at the speed at which it will come past. I think you'll agree when you see him get into position, it is quite an awesome sight. Now I'm going to give you a question, and you can think about it. I'll give the answer later on. But if you had all 3 decks, including the cargo and the baggage holds, full of ping-pong balls, how many ping-pong balls would you get in? Now I want you to tell the person next to you how many you think, and I will give the answer soon. So all 3 decks, including the cargo and baggage holds, how many ping-pong balls? Now how about that for a slow flyby? It is an extraordinary sight. A week ago, Singapore Airlines took delivery of its 11th Airbus, simultaneously with this year, over 10 of these mega airlines have already been delivered. During takeoff, the wing can flex upwards by over 4 meters. External paint on the 380, the top coat plus the primer, is equal to 531 kilos. It's a lot of weight for each other. Okay, I'll bring the aircraft up shortly to select the gear down and bump over the top. You don't normally get that close to an airliner, unless you're boarding it.